we need the Government of Canada to have our back at this time of an economic crisis in this province. Back in 2008 and 9, during the global financial crisis, we saw governments around the world do extraordinary things to ensure economic stability in financial markets here in Canada, ensuring the future of the auto sector and tens of thousands of jobs related to it in Ontario and Quebec's manufacturing sector. Well, Albertans expect at least that kind of help for the industry that has done more than any other to create jobs, wealth and opportunity, government revenues for social programs than any other, and that is Canada's energy industry. It is the largest subsector of the Canadian economy. It represents $125 billion of annual export value, about 50% more than auto parts, than cars and auto parts do. It is our largest export industry. It's responsible for the direct employment of over 250,000 Canadians and indirectly is tied to the employment of hundreds of thousands of others, and of course generates revenues that benefit all 36 million Canadians in their healthcare, education, and other social services. We are facing a triple whammy right now with the fragility of our economy after 5 years of economic stagnation, on top of which an apparent global economic downturn instigated by the global spread of the novel coronavirus or COVID-19, and thirdly, the total collapse of energy prices this week as a result of a price war by two unfriendly regimes, the Saudis and the Russians, who are trying to drive North American energy out of business because they'd like to take that market share. We don't think that's good for the globe, it's not good for the environment, and it's certainly not good for Canadian jobs and prosperity to allow Vladimir Putin and the King of Saudi Arabia to seek to wreck the energy industry in this rights-respecting democracy that produces energy at the highest human rights, environmental, and labor standards on earth.